guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to clean the whole house for you because it is a disaster. But I wanted to do a little bit of an intro just to tell you guys thank you so much for all the love on my previous declutter videos. I love seeing your guys' comments and the fact that I help motivate you guys to like clean and declutter and get stuff done. Yesterday I was supposed to film this video, but it was just one of those days because the day before I went to school for like 9 hours and I just didn't feel like cleaning. I just wanted to chill with my family, and we sat in a mess because when I'm not home, the house gets messy. The house is a disaster, so I hope you guys get a lot of inspiration for this. Sometimes I don't get the nicest comments on sharing my real life, sharing my house. I get a lot of mean comments sometimes, and that's okay. I mean, to each their own. If you want to say your opinion on things, that's totally fine. Most of the time I will answer if it's more like constructive criticism. I don't mind that at all. Like, I'm not super mom over here, and I'm not the perfect mom at all. I don't even want to be, because there's no way to be that. I just want to thank all of you guys that leave me the positive comments, the uplifting comments. That's what helps keep me going to keep making videos even when I'm tired. It's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. I'll film a cleaning video and it'll take me like 4 or 5, 6 hours, but I'll clean the whole house when I'm not filming during the week. I'll clean up the whole house, tidy it up, do some deep cleaning in areas, and it takes me like 1.5 hours. So it is definitely a lot more work to film a cleaning video. I think a lot of you guys know that, you guys that are YouTubers and that make cleaning videos too. So I wanted to pop on here and say thank you and that I love you, and I'm going to show you my dirty house right now and then how it looks after we attack everything.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak and you know that you can't take another day.
Alright, you guys, so one of the first things I like to do when I'm going to do like a whole house clean or clean my whole house, I like to get my bedding into the laundry so I can make my bed by the time I'm done cleaning. So then I also go ahead and put my scrubs into the wash. I don't mind at all, but I need my scrubs this week for school. So they are white, and I just went ahead and threw those in there with my blankets. So I wanted to do a quick clean in the laundry room. I actually wanted to do a deep cleaning video of my laundry room if you guys are interested in seeing that, because it's long overdue. I've barely kept up with it. I'm just in and out of there. So right now I'm just kind of sweeping it up and getting some dust and stuff, but I want to do a little bit more of a deeper clean because it is not organized like I used to keep it. So what I'm doing to clean my washer and dryer is the Method all-purpose cleaner, and it is in the scent grapefruit. That's how we play. So usually I like to continue cleaning my room, but Avo wanted to clean her room first, and she really wanted to show you guys, so that's what we're doing here. I haven't really wanted to clean in this room because we're actually doing like a room transformation video for her that we already started filming before we put her new furniture in, and we're also going to be painting the walls this week. So we have the gray paint that we're going to be painting the walls, which was actually a subscriber's idea, and I think it was super smart because she has baby blue in there that was already put in there or painted before we moved in. So I think the light gray will go better with her gray and pink, obviously. So right now we're going to go ahead and just organize her room a little bit. I don't vacuum it or anything because we're literally going to take all of the furniture out of there this week and paint in there and then do like a deeper clean, a deeper organize, and everything like that. So those of you who are newer to my channel and don't know, this is actually my little office space that I sometimes do editing or just come in to kind of be alone. I'll even meditate and do a little yoga in here when I just want to relax at the end of the night. And it's just like my little like girly fun spot. I absolutely love it. And it's just like a place I can kind of get away and work or just relax.
What you feel, what you feel.
So this picture of lips actually was in my room, and then my hubby was like, this doesn't fit in here. He was like, we need to get like some better paintings, things like that. So we're definitely going to do that soon. But I went ahead and took the lips down and moved it into my office.
Advertising, you are not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, ain't no fun recognizing your mistakes.
So now we're finally getting back to my room, and that's probably one of the messiest spaces in the house right now would be my room in the kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to clean with my grapefruit all-purpose cleaner. Let me know if this is a problem for you, but our daughter's things always migrate to our room or migrate all over the house. So a lot of times half the things that are in my room, like on the floor or downstairs, are things that need to be in Ava's room. Let me know if you guys deal with that problem. And then there's little Remy. If you guys are new to my channel, that is our dog, our lab. He is 1 year old. And then these flowers right here I actually got from my hubby for Valentine's Day. And he put those by the bedside and then put like rose petals spelling out I love you all over the bed. It was super romantic. I actually shared a photo on my Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, you should go follow me and check it out. But it was super sweet and really surprising, to be honest.
Prayers from my Savior, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me.
So I do use a lot of essential oils in my house. This is, I think, a Clean and Fresh by Simply Earth. I use essential oils for fragrance, more of like a non-toxic choice of fragrance, but also for the properties, the mental health properties, the physical properties that essential oils does for you. So if you ever have questions on that, just go ahead and leave them down below. I actually have a little discount code to Simply Earth where I get my essential oils from, and you can check them out there. They're really good company to get oils from. And what's funny is we actually use a lot of oils at our school as estheticians, and kind of in that whole world, they use a lot of oils because it's plant-based and natural and things like that. So there are a lot of properties even for your skin and your mood.
I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away.
So now we are cleaning the bathroom. It wasn't too bad today. I've been keeping up with it nicely. I usually like to do a little tidy up each evening before I go to bed just because it feels better. I'm sorry it looks a little overexposed. A lot of times the sun was coming in and out, or if I switch rooms, the lighting's just, even if I just zoom in the lens, the lighting changes. So those are just like video problems.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, heartbreak. I missed ya. Give me that kiss now.
So I was also using the Method Anti-Bac and the Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner to clean the toilet, the sink, and all of that stuff. And if you have questions about where I get my cleaning products, I usually leave a link in the description box where I get like 90% of my products and my home products and my cleaning products, and that is from Grove Collaborative. And I always have like a special link or deal if you want to sign up and check them out down in my description box.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7.
So I am going to go ahead and clean my tub. I know I'm doing a lot of talking in this video, but I was requested to kind of explain a little bit more on what I do, why I do it, what products I'm using. So I want to make sure to do that for you guys. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner just to spray down my shower, and then I will be going in on the glass with the SOS pad. About 6 months ago, I did a video testing out different cleaning products that work best on a shower glass door, and the SOS pads actually worked really good for me and got a lot of that soap residue off the windows and that buildup. So that is what I'm using here.
And dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same. Now that we dancing, I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor.
So I actually like to go in with a towel and just kind of clean off the window, dry it up a little bit before I'm done.
You when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
So today I am just going to go ahead and try vacuuming my bathroom, just doing it super fast instead of sweeping. So that is what I'm doing here. And a lot of times you guys ask me about my vacuum cleaner, and I do have a Amazon favorites link down below that has my vacuum cleaner and a lot of my home products or things that I use in my home there if you want to check it out. It is a really good vacuum cleaner and I absolutely love it. The only downfall is I wish I had more of a portable handheld one that worked as good as this vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and mop the bathroom real quick with my spray and mop. I like this mop because it's super fast. You just put your product or your mop solution into the little container and then you just spray and you go, and it's super easy. So let me know down below if you're still watching this video with a little palm tree. Just comment a palm tree into the comments so I know that you made it this far. So at this point, everybody wanted me to finish up with my cleaning, and they started helping me out. So that is why you see Isaiah helping. And plus, he's always such a big help. Those of you who are new to my channel, that's my 16-year-old son, and he actually cleans up a lot. Like, he will just voluntarily do the dishes or something like that. It's super sweet and helpful. One of the things I like to do every time I wash the dishes is clean out my sink. If it's early enough in the day and I know we're going to be putting more dishes in there, I'm just going to clean with soapy water. And if it's in the evening and I am able to clean up the kitchen before I go to bed, that's when I use a better product, a different product. If you're interested in seeing an updated nighttime cleaning routine, just let me know in the comments. But I do have some cleaning routines from last year if you want to check out those.
I gotta realize that you understand what we could do. Around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be.
So this is my comment of the day. Thank you so much for your positive, sweet comment. I always feature a comment at the end of my videos unless something crazy happens and I forget, but then I will usually use 2 comments and put it at the end of the video. But I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for your support. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, if you liked how long it was and the whole house cleaning. And also comment down below, say hi. I love talking to you guys. I try and catch up with all of your guys' comments in between life and school and motherhood and all that stuff. I hope you guys are doing great. I love you. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video.